Hello guys, in our previous video we completed the create our sample line and sections here. You are seeing here in the section, you can see the very well here where is the cutting, where is the filling. You can see one by one the sections. But I want to show you a video in this track how to look as per our sections view. So I want to run this project, means we will start from here and we will reach up to here, then how to look this side and this side. So how to possible in the Civil 3D, it's very easy. I want to show you, you see please and enjoy it. Just you click here once, okay, then go to analyze tab here, because you know very well this is the tab, this is the panel, or this is the panel name. You come here and you can see here drive. So we'll drive here to end, okay, start to end. Or just we click once here, then you come down and see the our in command bar what is the ASCII. So we are going to select now this corridor, okay, and hit the enter, okay. Then you can see the view, how is look, huh? See how is the looking our views. So we going to run now from here to there, and you look this side and this side. It's asking to us the time. You can set here everything as you want, है speed, everything is there. You can set, है and you can change the also path, but we don't want to change the path. You will see the track of our railway lines, and beside left and right hand the slope of our the cutting and filling area. So I'm going to run now this project. You enjoy it. I'm playing from here, you see. Yeah, I'm started. You see, yes, you can see our railway track. Yeah, see, both sides. Slope, everything is there, showing in there. Where is the cutting coming? This area is cutting. Yes, this area is a small filling. See, again the filling area is coming. Yes. We can run again. See again once. We start from 0, 0. You can see the railway tracks, slopes, side cutting and filling. Enjoy it. Means our project is successful. Now I'm going to change the here views. Maybe elastic means real, or view is the top. Then we have to run. See, how is it looking, guys? You can see track. Here we fill the boulders, fill everything as per our assembly. Yeah, it's looking good. Yes, looking nice. After finish this, yes, it's finished. I want to show you again in the X-ray mode. Okay, then enjoy it. Yes, we start from zero. Yeah, yeah. Here is the down our track. Just here also down our track. Down means down to existing ground level. Here is the up. Yes. Again, I am going to change the visual style. Maybe it's looking somehow good, and we run. See, again we start from here, zero. You can see now. Yes. Downside slope. How do we make the slope? How do it really look? See, it's very easy. Yes. Yes. Now this area is the coming cut area. Means our track is down or existing ground level is that. Here is also showing start means ground level. Here also not showing because of the ground level is up. Yes. Yeah. Finish. Let's try once more. Click here. Then somewhere we see the surface property here, and we have to off it, not display. Yeah, not display. Here just select zoom, zoom extent. Where is the zoom extent? No zoom. Parallel. Yeah. Escape it. Select. Similar. Okay. Just now you to. Yes. We are running. Now you can see the track zero to end. Before you think how to they are not looking in the filling area. But now it's looking very good. Yes. Yes. This train is there going to this track now. See? Yeah. You can see the track. Yeah. Again, I'm going to change the views here, the elastic. Okay? Then you can see the real look. Ah, we are running from zero. You see now you can see track. Yes, if the ground level is down and up, nothing is the matter.